Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best airflow PC cases of 2024. If you're a PC builder or enthusiast looking for optimal cooling performance and airflow, these cases offer the perfect blend of design, ventilation, and compatibility. We'll explore the standout features, build quality, and cooling capabilities that make each of these cases a top choice for PC builders of all levels. Whether you're aiming for maximum airflow for overclocking or simply want a well-ventilated case for your system, you'll find the perfect airflow PC case here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. Thermaltake Series. The Thermaltake series is a high-performance PC case designed for gamers and enthusiasts seeking optimal airflow and advanced customization options. With its mesh front panel and large intake vents, the series is engineered to maximize cooling, ensuring your system stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. It supports multiple cooling configurations, including up to 360mm radiators and multiple fan mounts, making it ideal for custom water cooling setups. The case offers ample space for high-end components, including support for full-size GPUs and Antec motherboards. It features a modern design with tempered glass side panels to showcase your build, and integrated cable management options for a clean, professional look. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a high-performance workstation, the Thermaltake series provides the flexibility, cooling, and aesthetics needed for a top-tier PC build. Number 4. Lian Li V3000 PW. The Lian Li V3000 Plus, V3000 PW, is a premium full-tower case designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand superior build quality, extensive customization, and high-performance cooling. Made from brushed aluminum with tempered glass panels, the V3000 Plus exudes a sleek, modern aesthetic while offering ample interior space for high-end components. It supports multiple motherboard configurations, including eATX, XLATX, and even dual systems, making it an excellent choice for complex workstation builds or gaming setups. The case can accommodate up to 3 480mm radiators for extreme water cooling, along with numerous fan mounts for air-cooled systems, ensuring optimal airflow. With modular drive bays, extensive cable management options, and versatile GPU mounting orientations, the V3000 Plus is built for users who want to create a showpiece PC while maintaining practical functionality. Its innovative features, such as vertical GPU mounting and support for large power supplies, make it ideal for top-tier performance builds, while the elegant design and attention to detail set it apart as one of the most advanced full-tower cases available today. Number 3. Thermaltake Tower 100. The Thermaltake CTE C750 is a robust full-tower PC case designed for enthusiasts who prioritize superior thermal management and extensive customization. As part of the CTE Centralized Thermal Efficiency series, the C750 is specifically engineered to maximize cooling potential by strategically positioning key components like radiators and fans for optimal airflow. It supports up to eATX motherboards, multiple large GPUs, and a variety of high-performance cooling configurations, including the ability to house up to 420mm radiators on the front, side, and bottom. The case is equipped with a durable steel frame, tempered glass side panels, and a modern aesthetic, making it perfect for showcasing custom builds with RGB lighting and advanced water cooling systems. The C750 provides exceptional versatility with modular drive cages, vertical GPU mounting options, and extensive cable management, allowing for a clean and organized interior even with complex setups. Its spacious design also accommodates large power supplies and multiple storage devices, making it suitable for both gaming rigs and professional workstations. With ample room for future upgrades and an emphasis on both performance and aesthetics, the Thermaltake CTE C750 is an ideal choice for builders looking to create a powerful, visually stunning system that excels in cooling efficiency and customization options. Number 2. Fantex NV7. The Fantex NV7 is a premium full-tower PC case designed for builders seeking both cutting-edge aesthetics and superior airflow. With its distinctive open-frame design and extensive use of tempered glass on 3 sides, the NV7 provides an unobstructed view of your system, making it a perfect showcase for RGB lighting and high-performance components. The case is designed for maximum airflow, supporting up to 12 fans and multiple radiators, including a 420mm radiator on the top and a 360mm on the side, ensuring your system stays cool even during heavy loads. Its spacious interior supports Antec motherboards, large GPUs, and full custom water cooling setups, offering the flexibility and room needed for high-end builds. The NV7 also boasts exceptional cable management with its unique cable cover system that hides cables for a clean, clutter-free interior, enhancing both airflow and the overall look of the build. Vertical GPU mounting options and a modular drive-based system add to its customization potential, allowing users to tailor their setup exactly how they envision. Additionally, its steel frame and durable construction ensure long-term reliability while maintaining an elegant, modern aesthetic. With its focus on both form and function, the Fantex NV7 is a top-tier case for those wanting to build a visually striking, high-performance system with excellent cooling and customization options.
Known on Antec DF750. The Antec DF700 Flux is a mid-tower case designed for optimal airflow and cooling performance. Featuring a striking wave-shaped mesh front panel, it ensures excellent ventilation while adding a bold aesthetic to your build. The case supports ATX motherboards, large GPUs, and multiple storage devices, offering flexibility for both gaming and professional setups. Equipped with 5 pre-installed fans, including a unique rear reverse fan, it enhances thermal efficiency to keep your components cool. With space for up to 360mm radiators and multiple fan configurations, the DF700 is ideal for custom cooling solutions. The tempered glass side panel showcases your hardware and RGB lighting, while the built-in cable management ensures a tidy, organized interior. Combining style, functionality, and robust cooling, the DF700 Flux is perfect for high-performance builds. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.